Hello, this is Christian with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic is on Linking Autocad files. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn how to link and update AutoCAD files in Revit. When clients and consultants send you AutoCAD files, you are able to link these files into your Revit project. Linking files to your project allows for live updating. This means that when the CAD file is changed, those changes will reflect in the Revit project as well. Go to the appropriate view and under the Insert tab above the Link panel, select the Link CAD tool. A dialog window will appear prompting you to choose the file you want to link. Below are several options you can edit, such as colors and layers. Set the colors to black and white and the layers to all. If you check the current view, the CAD file will only appear in that one view you're linking it into. If left unchecked, your CAD file can be seen on other views as well. Once your file is linked into your Revit project, you can edit the file through the Visibility Graphics Overrides dialog. Under the Imported Categories tab, you can turn the layers on and off and edit the colors and line weights. When you want to reload your file after it has been updated, you can do so by accessing the Manage tab and selecting the Manage Links tool. Click on the CAD Formats tab and your link DWG should appear. Here you can see whether it's loaded, its file size, and path. To refresh and get the latest CAD file to show, just select Reload. Unloading it just removes it from the view, but the file will still exist in the project and can be reloaded at any time. Removing it takes it away from the project completely. That concludes our beginner course on linking AutoCAD files in Revit. Thanks for watching.